Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade pizza. I'm going to be cooking it in a wood-burning pizza oven, but it also works the same way if you were to cook it in a real oven at 450 degrees. So to start up, we are going to build a base to burn, which consists of sticks, newspaper, and wood. And by the way, don't let your dog near the wood. Once you get all the wood back to where it's supposed to be, you're going to light a section of the newspaper and the fire will grow from there. You want to make sure you keep building on the fire so it doesn't go out. And here's the materials you're going to need to make the pizza. And for when it's done, while you're getting all your materials out, you want to keep an eye on the fire. Once it looks hot enough, which takes about 3 hours, you're going to push all of the debris and wood to one side of the oven, allowing enough room for a pizza to be placed on the floor. And now to make the pizza. You're going to want to take a small piece of dough and make sure there's plenty of flour on the paddle so that it doesn't stick. Then you're going to flatten out the dough and make it whatever shape you want. I would suggest using your hands rather than a rolling pin, because the rolling pin flattens out all of the air. And then, depending on how much crust you want, you can stretch out the edges to the right thickness and fill it with cheese if you wanted to make a stuffed crust pizza. Always remember to put more flour so it slides off the paddle easily. Now you're going to apply the sauce. Use as much sauce as you want, but again, leave the right amount of space for the amount of crust you want. Now for the cheese. When you're going to put it in the pizza oven, you want to position it in the middle of the oven and gently shake it until the pizza slides off. Because the oven is so hot, it only takes about 90 seconds to cook. You want to constantly check the pizza and spin it to make sure that every side gets cooked evenly. If the bottom is done but the sides aren't, tilt the pizza towards the fire on a paddle. And there you go, you have your homemade pizza. Slice it up into several pieces and enjoy.